Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this video we are going to talk about recent projects on Freelancer. So guys, once you created an account on Freelancer, then all the projects linked to your skills will be shown on your screen, but you have to check these projects in your recent project. So how will you see your recent project? Simply you have to go with this file icon which is shown on your screen. As you can see over here, you have to click on it. Once you will click on this file, then all the projects those are recently uploaded on Freelancer will be shown over here. As you can see guys, there are so many projects to bid, and you can easily bid over these projects, and you can easily get work, and you can easily get a chance to earn money from Freelancer. So guys, this is how to check recent projects on Freelancer. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.